Sam Seagull searches everywhere for sea nymph. She is so smart. She knows something about South Africa, squirrels, sums, and the S sound. Sam sees her sitting somewhere between the spring flowers.
Sorry, sea nymph. Please help me with my sound. I get so confused.
Certainly. I spend every second of my spring days studying the S sound. Can you see my school? I've swam slowly through the sea to reach the sand. I have the whole Saturday until 6 to spend time with you,
said Sea Nymph.
Will you also assist the 7 of my best friends? It is the Swan family. They are masters at swimming, but the sound, oh no, they all lisp. 7 swans standing still.
Sam Seagull and the sea nymph reaches the 7 swans. They sit up straight, ready to study.
Show me your tongues. That's right. Place your tongue behind your teeth and say t, 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 t. Keep your tongue there and just touch your palate with your tongue. Say s, 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 s. You are so smart. 7 smart stars.
She screams from joy.
My schoolmaster said I must also visit the squirrel. Everybody can learn something from him. He collects seeds for winter. Surely a smart thing to do, don't you think?
She asks the swans. It is summer. Squirrel eats a nut and collects some seeds. He stares and sees Sea Nymph sitting next to him.
Sea Nymph, I am so glad to see you. Sam said that you are coming to visit. I wish I could sit in the sun, but someone has to secure food for the winter. During my long winter rest, I had some time to practice the S sound. Would you like to listen?
That is super smart. Can you say s, 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 snake? Cool. Seed. I am so surprised. You can even homeschool your 6 kids and your 7 siblings.
Sea Nymph replies.
Skulk, my son. He is the smartest squirrel in the school. I think next summer he can sail to your school to study with your study master. He collected 77 seeds last Saturday. I think he might become a scientist soon, studying stars.
Squirrel told Sea Nymph, feeling very proud. The sea nymph asks if she could send Skulk to the swans to help them settle in for the long winter. The snow will be falling soon, and everyone needs to secure their food. Soon the autumn sun will change into a silky white snow blanket. This is the last day of Sea Nymph's visit. She sees the snow, puts on a scarf, and decides to say goodbye.
I will see you soon. Stay snug, sleep, and eat lots of seeds, soup, and snacks. Skulk will help you study your sound 6 to 7 times a week, so that you will be ready to write sentences next summer.
The swans wake up soon the next summer. Their stylish silhouette reminds me a little bit of the S sound, don't you think? Small S phonic. Start at the dot. Follow the swan's stylish neck until you reach his tail. Capital S phonic. Start at the dot. Go all the way from his beak till you reach his tail. I hope you've learned a couple of new things together with Sam, Skulk, and the sea nymph. And, of course, the swans. There are learning opportunities everywhere. I'm sure you will know how to say your S sound from now on.